Hey, what are you painting?
Outside.
You painting outside?
Uh-huh.
Ah, looks nice. Where do you get all this paint stuff from?
On Amazon with my money.
Bought it from Amazon with your money?
Uh-huh.
How did it get to Jamaica?
Islandwide Express.
Islandwide Express brought it to Jamaica for you?
Uh-huh.
They must charge you a lot of money.
No, they shipped it to me for free.
They shipped it for free. Oh, wow.
Here's social media. I know you want to see my finished painting, and I'm not going to sell it to you.
How did you paint that?
First, I put it on paper, and then I paint it. Here's some of my finished work. And when we're finished with that one, we're going to put epoxy on it. It's going to make it look like glass.
And where in Jamaica you gonna get epoxy?
I'm going to buy it on Amazon with my money, and Islandwide Express is going to ship it to me for free. I love to paint these pictures, and Islandwide Express makes it possible. Big up Islandwide Express.